Joseph Parker will be fighting Fabio Wardley, and Joseph Parker is pretty dangerous guy. He's got a big knockout power, and this is interim WBO, interim WBA World Heavyweight titles fight. And I see this situation as kill or be killed. Wardley is also known for violent knockouts, but Parker is also giving everything he has. Wardley has never been defeated. 6'5", 78 inches of reach. This fella was better than Fraser Clark. Justice Huni, David Adelaide, Michael Polite Coffey, Nathan Gorman. Against Fraser Clark, I think he won, but they robbed him. Right after that he won. I think he's in the best shape of his life, and I assume Wardlow is going to win this one, but I mustn't ignore Parker's power. So my official prediction will be the fight will not go the distance, but as a side call, I got Fabio Wardley.